Hi, in this video we'll show you how to set up an AI inbound assistant to receive incoming calls, how to configure or add your phone number to it, how to configure when your agent should be available, and also get insights and analytics on who's been calling you on your inbound number. The total cost of experimentation is going to be zero. VoiceAIWrapper offers a free trial account. VAPI also offers you a trial account with some starter credits, and cal.com is also available for free. Now, in terms of telephony, you can use any of the telephony providers currently supported by VAPI. All of these are available inside VoiceAIWrapper platform. And as they keep on adding new providers, you will see those options appear inside our platform. So at the end of the call, I'll trigger an incoming call on our number and show you how this booking happens. Let's head into our product. All right, I'm logged into my VoiceAIWrapper account, and now I'm going to show you how you can configure your inbound assistant. So in case you haven't done this, you need to connect your phone number here. You can also connect your free VAPI number, or you can connect any of the telephony providers that VAPI currently supports that I showed you in the beginning of the video. Once your phone number is connected, the next step is to create an agent. We have created a sample agent here. This agent has prompts which allow it to answer questions about our product, handle objections, inquire about the caller's nature of the call, and if the caller is interested in our product, then seek his or her availability for a meeting with our team. Then look up our calendars and book a meeting. We'll do a detailed session on how to prompt, and we are also going to provide some prompt templates right inside our product, so it's easier for you to test and get started with voice AI assistants. Now, once we've configured the prompt for the agent, the next thing is to connect our calendars. So for the sake of this demo, we're going to use cal.com. Tools are basically actions that the agent can perform while during the call. So I click on add tool, and then I get two options. Either I can start creating the tool function directly using VAPI functions, or I can use some easy to use templates that we've created on VoiceAIWrapper. To book a meeting, the agent needs to first check for our availability on our calendar and then go ahead and book a meeting. So I need to create two tools for the agent to be able to check availability and book a meeting. It's very easy. I just need to plug in my cal.com API key and the event ID, and then I have this tool created. Similarly, I'll create a book a meeting tool, and this is going to allow the agent to book a meeting after checking availability. So I've already created these tools inside my account. You can see both of these. Yeah. Now I need to connect this to my agent. So I'll head over to my assistant. I'll head over to advanced, select tools, and then in the drop down, I'll see the tools that I've created. I've already associated them here, but in case you haven't, then you'll see them in the drop down, and then you can add them here. So now your agent knows how to look up your calendar and how to book a meeting. The next step is to head over to campaigns and then create a inbound campaign, add your agent to the campaign, add the phone number you wish to receive calls onto the campaign, select when the agent should be available from what time to what time. That's it. Now, why do you create a campaign for inbound agents? That is because in case you're running multiple campaigns, you're doing both inbound and outbound, you would want to see who has been calling you on a specific number for a specific purpose, and all the call logs, incoming call logs, will show up under that specific campaign along with campaign analytics. One good feature that we have with VoiceAIWrapper is you will see the names of the people, everything that's being captured on the call, their names, their phone numbers, their reason for calling. You will see all of that inside your VoiceAIWrapper dashboard. Next, we will try a demo call with one of our agents and see how it works.
Hello, my name is Daniel, and I'm here to answer your questions about VoiceAIWrapper or schedule a meeting with our team. Launch their voice AI calling campaigns. You can use it to... Currently, VoiceAIWrapper is available for free during our beta period. After that, we will be offering heavily discounted pricing to all early users.
Can I get to talk to somebody in your team?
Absolutely. I can help schedule a meeting for you to speak with someone from our team. What date and time work best for you? And could you please confirm your time zone?
How about next Thursday at 10 Eastern?
Just to confirm, you're looking to schedule the meeting for next Thursday at 10 in the morning Eastern time. Let me check the availability for that time. Could you hold on for a moment, please? This will just take a sec.
Sure.
I found some available slots for next Thursday. The first few options are at 10 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. Which one works for you?
Let's do 10 a.m.
So, would you like to? Awesome. Just to confirm, we're scheduling the meeting for next Thursday at 10 in the morning Eastern time. Could you please provide your email address for the confirmation?
Sure. It's hello@voiceAIWrapper.com. That's spelled as HELLO at VOICEAIWRAPPER.com.
So I have your email, er.com. Did I get that right?
Correct.
Awesome. Now, could you please provide your phone number, including the country code?
Yeah, sure. It's +1 302 440 1492.
Just to confirm, your phone number is +1 302 440 1492. Did I get that right?
That's right.
Great. So we have your meeting scheduled for next Thursday at 10 in the morning Eastern time with the email hello@voiceAIWrapper.com and the phone number +1 302 440 1492. Does this time work for you?
It does.
This will just take a sec. Your meeting has been successfully scheduled for next Thursday at 10 in the morning Eastern time.
Thank you.
We'll use the email.
All right, guys. So we just booked a meeting using this inbound assistant, and you can see the meeting invite on the screen right here.